Open your browser and type Autodesk Student. Here a link, click on the first link which appears. Now click on Sign In. A page appears. Here click Create Account. Now type your mail ID, college ID or personal. If you have a college ID is preferred. Click on Next. Here you will receive a mail on your ID containing a code. Enter that code and click Next. Now enter your details such as first name, last name and a password. Password must contain the options which are displayed. Now click Create Account. It says account is created. Now a page opens. Here scroll down and select AutoCAD. Now select Student. Scroll down and again select your education role as student. Here enter your date of birth. Click on Next. Now enter your college details such as college address, pin code, state. Now select the institute type as university. If you are in a high school, you should select it as high school. Now you have to write the exact name of your college or institution. After that, you have to mention your school's website. Now you should type your graduation date. In my case, it is 2026. Click on the checkbox and click Continue. Now it will ask you to submit documents. Save your college ID photo on your PC and upload it. Now click Continue and then click Submit. You will receive a verification mail if you are eligible. Now go to the products page. The page will automatically load if you are verified. And click on Access Products. On another page, here select AutoCAD 2D. Version 2026, Windows 64, language English. You can reduce the version according to your specifications and click on Install. If you click on Install, the download will start automatically. Click on Accept and you can see the download has been started. Click the same file and your install will start automatically. After the installation, it will again ask you to log in via ID. There enter your Gmail ID and the password you just gave for in the Autodesk website. You have to wait patiently for the installation. The video of after the installation process have been deleted from my data, so just after downloading you just have to write your choose the option login via ID, and then you have to write your mail, and then you have to write your password and click on sign in. After the sign in, you can access your product Autodesk. And if you have any doubts, please comment, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.